You guys, so today we're going to work on our trend lines, talking about our stop losses, just a little bit of everything that we went over previously. As you can see, I'm on a month time frame, also in the GBP JPY pair. We're going to talk about the momentum of the market, which the momentum of the market is your fuel. Anywhere you go, you got to have fuel, right? Especially if you're planning on traveling. But before I get into that, I want to talk about the psychology of a trader. You remember I was telling you about how you have, if your mindset is ugly, your trade is going to look ugly. So we want our trade to look the best so that we can feel our best. You know what I'm saying? It's just like amping up, getting ready for a fight. But let's talk about the principle first. What is a principle? It is the fundamental truth of or preposition that serves as a foundation for a system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reason. Basically, what I mean by that is you build by design and then build by reality. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And I mean, who likes to build without a plan? Nobody, right? Have you ever been so tired where you just get in your car sometimes and you be like, dang, I don't know how I got home, man. I have heard that so many times. But what got you there was the principles. The principles of you done got in that car, started it up, typed in your GPS, or you know what I'm saying, just had memory to drive yourself back from that same pattern before. Maybe it's a repetitive route that you take every day. Who knows? But your mind remembered it, even when you wasn't consciously aware that you was just driving home. Okay. See, once you learn the principle, you can do the principle at any time. You can change lanes when you want to change lanes. And we're going to refer to changing lanes to the different time frames. So we can do this on any given time frame if we know where we're going and if we follow the principles that we have before. We're going to make trading as simple as possible. The market is limitless. Let's ride, you guys. Okay, so let's get into it about marking up your charts. First, you know what I'm saying? The market goes how many ways? 3 ways, right? And which ones are those? That's up, down, and to the side, right? And this chart clearly right here shows us what I just said, up, down, to the side. Where? Look at this. This is up, right? This is down, right? And this is to the side. You see that? Very, very simple. Like, don't get so caught up in everybody's perspective of trading. Stick to the principles, man. You remember what I said the principles gonna do? You can do the principles at any given time. So first, we're gonna get in our car, right? Just say, for instance, if we're building with a plan. I want to come over here to my trend line, well, to my little chart over here. I want to grab a horizontal line. I want to put me a floor. You know what I'm saying? And the reason I put that right there, I'm gonna put them right here at the wicks. Even if it's not a wick right there, I'm gonna back test it and see if a wick could have went there. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Maybe I can see a little bit better. Bigger. We'll see. See how that looks. Remember I told you I wanted it to look like an EKG kind of? One, touch, two, touch. That means the market done came there and touched that area before and it has not broken. So you want to get at least 3 to 4 touches, and then it's going to go the other direction. But look at that. That's beautiful. Okay. I don't remember putting this one right here, but I'm going to take it off right now. All right. Let's go grab another horizontal line. If you don't want to keep grabbing those, just click on that little pencil right there to lock it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my chart a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put a roof. And my roof is basically saying, hey, this is where the highest market has been right now. How do I know that? Look, 1 touch, 2 touch. And guess what? It's going to touch that area again. So what I want to do now that I have my support, which is my floor, and now that I have my ceiling, which is my resistance, meaning it has not broke this line, I'm going to come in and put me one more, put me another zone inside the zone. Look at that. I see price came right there too. So if I zoom back in, I can see that that was an area where price were also. Move this up a little bit. Put it on the top. And if it makes it easy for you, come up here to your indicators and turn it to a line. See that? Bam. That's how it looks. Maybe I should have did that first. But I also want you to go up here and grab this indicator right here at the FX and type in zigzag. It's one of my favorites. It'll keep me from thinking so much. Sticking to the principles, the lower highs and the lower lows. You remember on uptrend, you want to see high first, meaning you're going to have a higher low or higher high. This is what I meant. So down here, see that it's going up, right? It went to the side, now it's going up. We don't trade when it's going to the side. But this would have been an entry for me to ride this up. And then when it pulled back, I would have got out. But I would have got out up here at the top when it was making that pullback. And when it hit this little area right here, I could have got back in and rolled it back up. So that would have been my higher low, higher high, higher low. What comes next? Higher high, right? See, you can catch those drops easily. You can catch those drops easily. Now let's go over here to this one. This is a down. This is not just a downtrend, but you see it's going down, right? Higher high. No, that's not even a higher high. You see I messed up? Okay. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. But let me change it back to the candlestick so I can see. I can tell you all the entries on it. You remember those, that 1, 2, 3? The 1, expansion. The 2, you see that it breaks out? And you want to catch it while it's in those trending phases. So for right here, I see at least 2, 3 entries. Let me go see if I can get an arrow to show you. I see 3 entries for me where I would have got in at. I see 3 potential entries. That's one. That's another one. I actually could have wrote that all the way down. When I see those wicks, I start to get out because wicks are letting you know there's indecision in the market. Got in right there. You see those 3 entries? Because the market makes 3 cycles. Let's go over here. I'm seeing another 3 right here, right here. This is on the buy. Right here. See that? 3 entries. Now let's look at those candlesticks. And this is all trading is, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You go through every emotions, but if I follow these principles, I'm gonna come out on the winning side every time. Build your ground, build your ceiling, structure on the inside. How does it look on the inside? How you want your house to look on the inside? And what you did was you just built you some key levels of strength where price is reacting in. Does it look good on the inside? If you build it right, you can withstand any trade. Yeah, you're going to take some losses, but you will be able to withstand any trade. Sometimes building takes long for some, and for others it don't.